Hello. Bra straps. Pain. Big baby. Side parties in the building.
Smell good, huh?
I always feel like somebody's watching me. That shadow ain't going nowhere, ain't it?
Good, you was quick. You was good on your feet that time, man.
Oh yeah! Hey babes, how are you doing? What's up everybody? My name is Andrea. If you're new here and if you are, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. And to my OG subscribers, thanks for tuning back in and welcome back to another video. Okay, so everybody loves Zara and Zara Home too. I absolutely adore their bedding. I actually have no voice today, clearly. Like I was saying, oh my gosh. Me. Oh yeah! You. Oh yo. Like I was saying, I actually have some of their pieces on my personal bed. Stunning, cozy, but I ain't gonna hold you.
Hey, be clear.
More often than not, Andrea's waiting on the sale. Oh, because they'll be like, hey, you. Yeah, come here. Don't be shy. Set the mood for you. See that pillow cover over there? Yeah, dope, right? It's $50. No, legit. They have pillow covers without the cushion for $50 on the site. Whew. No. Now, if you absolutely love something, I am not against buying it. I've done it once or twice with Zara Home. I have these stone balls that I just had to get. Couldn't find them anywhere else, and I wasn't finna DIY them. Love them. Don't regret buying them. And I have these vessels that I got a while back that I shared with you guys, which I bought one, and then they went on sale, so I got two more. But that's besides the point. I'm here to let you guys know that you can find Zara Home pieces, dupes, vibes at, you guessed it, Homegoods. I've done some footwork.
This trip got you in heat.
So let's dance. Big baby. So first up, this mirror. I have been eyeing this mirror for quite some time, I must say, but I've never been persuaded to hit purchase because for the size and the price, no. But good things come to those who wait. Yesterday I went to HomeGoods, just browsing, seeing what's new after the Christmas holiday, and I found it. Let's see how I can this way. Trying to see how I can show you without blinding you. I guess this will do. Now it does have a bit of fingerprints on it. I didn't clean it before I showed you guys, but it's exactly like the one from Zara Home, and I got it on clearance for $32. I snatched this thing up so quick.
Good, you was quick. You was good on your feet that time, man.
Now the dimensions are 20 inches by 28, just like the one on Zara Home's website. And like I said, I couldn't do the 129 for this size. Like, nice, love it, but 129, not worth it to me. If you want it, get it. I mean, it's an amazing mirror. To me, 129 versus $32, y'all, that's literally like, okay, I'm gonna put this down because it's kind of distracting me. So 32 over 129 equals x over 100, cross multiply, and you get 24.8. We'll round that to 25, subtract that from 100. That's about 75% off, y'all. I mean, the math was mathing to me, so I got it. I love this mirror everywhere I see it. That irregular shape brings that really organic feel that I'm so in love with. The black framing gives it some dimension, a little edge. I just love it. Now, I know you're thinking, Andrea, did you need a mirror?
Well, Gary, that's none of your business. But
Actually, no, I didn't. But just be happy for me, okay?
Marlo, support me, bitch.
I found a deal, and most times I can't pass up a deal, so it is what it is. I am thinking about putting this in my office nook area. You guys know, if you caught the video, that I had this little small wooden framed mirror in there just so I can see behind me. But I'm thinking this may look good right there. It may look a little funny. I don't know. I'm gonna have to test it out, but I'll probably do that with you guys in another video, so stay tuned. Okay, so I have told you guys how much I adore Kim and Kanye's, well, I guess it's just Kim's now, her mansion. I love the aesthetic. She actually did a tour of her skin office on YouTube. It's stunning. It's kind of a reflection of her house. It gives those wabi organic vibes, kind of like a very, 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 very upscale Zara home with a little edge, because she has some Rick Owens beds and stuff in there that are just to die for, okay? So I was looking at the coffee table she had in one of her sitting areas, and I noticed that she had this miniature black vessel with a simple floral stem, one or two of them in there to style the space. I've seen Zara Home do that before in a different campaign, so I was thinking on my travertine tables that I have in my living room, it needs a little bit more depth because it's very bright right now. Everything's very light and bright. I have a few coffee table books on there, but it is kind of missing something, I will say. So I found this at HomeGoods and it was perfect. I actually have the white ones like this. I have a set of them in my bookcase in my living areas. So when I saw this one, I had to grab it up. It was only $16.99. Love the organic shape on it. It looks very handmade. It has a little bit of a sheen to it, but it's not shiny, you know, so I think this will add a nice touch. It has some texture, and again, this shape is just amazing to me. It's simple, but not so dope. Now, one thing's for certain, two things for sure. I love a floral moment, but keeping them alive,
No, sir, not me.
that's a talent I haven't mastered just yet. So I love getting faux florals and dried florals to add a little bit of that nature element to my space. I actually have these already in my bedroom, which I showed you guys in my bedroom refresh, but I found some more at HomeGoods and they're just stunning, okay? Like, hello. They're only $12.99 a piece. You get 2 stems in each set. I brought these 2, but I have a few more in my living room. I just want to put them in my big vase to kind of bring, like I said, some more nature inside the home. But I love the tones of these. This one is a little bit richer. I wanted to kind of mix it in here so it wouldn't be so monochrome. And like I said, I love these tones. Zara Home usually does some kind of like a nice soft floral in their shoots, and I love the vibe that these kind of florals give to a space. They just look so soft and feminine and effortless, whether they're just in a clear vase or something more ceramic and more substantial. So like I said, had to get these, love them, and the best part, no maintenance, except it's a little bit of cleanup because these do shed a little bit. I may have to spray them with some hairspray, but they're bomb nonetheless. Okay, so this next piece is a re-mention, if that is even a word. I don't think it is, but it's a word today. It's a re-mention. I told you guys about this before. I have bought it probably 5 times in the past year or so, but it is this odd shaped organic recycled glass vessel that I found at HomeGoods. These are actually sold on Zara Home's website. Right now they are on sale. Total transparency, I didn't measure this, but I assume it's about the same width, length, height as the one on Zara Home's website. Theirs is $23 for a size similar to this, identical shape, okay? And I got mine for $10. Like, and the $23 price is their sale price. It's normally around $36. So it's not a horrible price if you want to buy it on Zara Home's website, but I suggest going to HomeGoods, looking in the glass section, because they have these all the time. And even if you don't like the colors, because sometimes they'll do the odd ones. I've seen green, I've seen blue, I've seen clear. You can paint them with baking soda and paint and make them more of a ceramic look. So it's a win-win on both ends. Hey.
Bars.
So yeah. And finally, this is a re-mention as well, but I actually repurchased it because I get it every time I see it in HomeGoods, TJ Maxx, Marshalls. I can't help it. It's that bomb, okay? So it's this Santal candle. The only thing I hate, HomeGoods, please stop doing this. Like, stop putting stickers where the stuff is supposed to be seen. Put it under. Why is this not under here? I'm not understanding, because now I have to take a blow dryer and try to get the whatever. Anyway, like I was saying, this has become my favorite candle in my home, like in life.
Smell good, huh?
Oh my gosh, it's so good, you guys. And I bought this, it didn't even have a top, but I didn't care. That's how you know I love it, okay? It smells amazing, it projects well, but it's not overpowering. Overpowering. Y'all know sometimes I struggle with the talking thing. But like I said, I buy this every time I see it, which has been less and less and less lately. Like, I don't know if they're gonna stop selling them. That's why I've racked up so many. I have about 5 of them just stashed, waiting to be burned. And I'm actually thinking about getting a mug warmer or mug burner, whatever it's called. I saw that ARMON'S, if you don't know who she is, I will put her name on the screen. She's an amazing content creator, and she said she uses one to put her candles on so it lasts way longer than actually lighting it. No, you don't get the ambiance and the warmth of a flame, but your candle doesn't burn out as fast, which is a win for me. But yeah, love the packaging, love everything about this. Whenever I see a Zara Home space that they've shot, I imagine it smells like Santal. Like, you guys know, well, if you didn't know, I have mentioned it before, a lot of hotels actually use this scent in their vicinity, in their building. Okay, so I imagine that those spaces just smell really serene and peaceful and nice and soft, and that's what this candle is giving. I actually don't have this size. All the ones I have are in the big sizes. You guys have seen this candle actually burning here in my filming room. So this is my first little small size. I can actually put this either in my bathroom or by my kitchen sink. The big ones usually run $15. This size was $10, so not horrible. A must. Okay, y'all better go up there and get one of these.
What's that?
It's a chicken salad.
Okay guys, that is it for me today. Thank you so much for tuning in and spending some time with me. I love saving a coin. I love saving you guys a coin, so I was really excited about this video. I hope you guys are able to find some of the pieces that I showed you. If you have any questions or if you need like a reference number, let me know. I usually put them in the description box, but then it started confusing people because they were like, wait, where's the website? And I'm like, no, this stuff is from HomeGoods. There's no website. Anyway, off that, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell if you haven't. Take care of yourselves, those around you, and your mental health. And I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, peace out.